So I've recently been inspired by Bridgerton, specifically Sophie Baek. Now with Sophie, there's so much emphasis on certain features, specifically like the eyes, you know, when she's wearing that mask, and the lips. I'm usually known for super bold red lips. However, today I wanted to do a review on Unleashia. This is a Korean lippy pencil. And I got shade number 5, After Party. Let me see. Number 6, After Party. So it is this like super cute rosy shade. And let me show you that lippy pencil. Multi-use, soft smudging, long-lasting, vegan and cruelty-free, made in Korea. And this is the packaging. So I've kept this so you guys can see it. Now I have used this several times. But I'm super excited to show you this. And then we will use... So this is Hince, and it is a melting matte stick, slim stick. This is also great because it gives you a little bit more precision. So I am going to show you those products using this pencil. So we're going to use these two today. With Sophie, I noticed that she is wearing lipstick, but it looks very natural to her. It doesn't look like she's actually wearing any product, so it doesn't look like glossy. It also doesn't look super red and bright. It just looks very neutral. So I'm gonna go in with this pencil. Now I've used it, I love it, but it is a soft matte and you can definitely blur this out. So I am gonna go underneath the lip right here, and I am just gonna extend my lip. Now it's gonna look a little silly, but that's the work. Like, that is what that's gonna look like. Now right here, the way I line my lips, I have a very pronounced spitz bow, so I am going to make an X underneath my lip. So right here, that is the method that I use. I just make an X, and then I'm just gonna go up a little bit, and that's it. And that is it. And then we close this, and I am just going to blur with my finger. I'm just going to blur up. Just like that. So that's a little bit more blended. And I'm just going to diffuse that. Now, that alone is already like putting a little bit more focus on the lips. Nothing crazy, nothing red. Now we're gonna go in with... So it is like a very nice little brown lip, okay? This is the color, this is what it looks like. And then here is like a little swatch, okay? So very neutral. And that was like maybe going over it, maybe I think 4 times. And then we're gonna go up. This is just very soft, very neutral. Like, it is just a very cohesive look with the robe, with the flowers. Like, we're not doing anything crazy, but this still looks super natural. Now, one more lip product that I have that I could use that rosy, like super soft, super young look is this product by fwee. So, okay. So this is color Skirt, and this is by, I believe the brand is called fwee. Okay, I just use my fingers to dab it on. Okay, this is the color. So it is like a very pinky color. I think this would definitely be a good little like topper. So I'm just gonna grab a little bit of product. So that's the product. And then literally just, you couldn't see it. This is kind of, I just want to give different lighting. But this is basically the makeup look. So we got a little bit more focus up here in the eyes and the lashes. But this is just very pink, very neutral. Like, I just wanted to match the robe a little bit. I don't want it to be super bright. It's just very muted. And the focus is here in the eyes. I'm digging it. Also, the hair is super short. So we're definitely bringing the focus up. Since we don't have hair down here, we're bringing the focus up here. But the lips are so cute. I'm a total fan. I like it. I definitely really like that lip pencil, by the way. It is just so blendable. It is just so good to transition, whether like brown shades or pink shades or just blending. Like, it is such a good blending stick. So let me know if you would get it. If you're my skin tone also, if you're also like my skin tone, whether you're a little bit lighter or even a little bit darker, I think that shade would go so far with so many looks. So let me know if you're gonna get it, if you like it, what you think, and then